Welcome to this virtual tour. Today we are going to visit the Vegetable Research Center, that is an experimental station at Pantnagar. The word vegetable usually refers to the fresh edible portions like roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits or seeds of certain herbaceous plants. We are thankful to Mr. Gyan Singh who shared his knowledge with us. There, he showed us the nursery of different vegetables. Nursery. It's a place where plants are propagated and grown to a desired age. It's a place where young trees or other plants are raised for transplanting, sale, or for experimental studies. The nursery beds which are prepared, these are of 1 meter width and the length varies according to our needs. Here we have seen that this is the nursery of tomato. Next comes the nursery of chili. And this is the variety that is released by Pantnagar, that is Pant C1. Chili. It releases saliva that helps in the digestion. It prevents from the stomach cancer and improves the immune system. This is cauliflower. It contains high amount of fiber, improves the digestion process and reduces the risk of several chronic diseases. This is the plant which is known as Gand Gobi. It is also known as kohlrabi or German turnip. It can be eaten raw or cooked, and it contains antioxidants and reduces the risk of diabetes. Now children, can you guess the next vegetable? It is a very popular vegetable known as broccoli. This is high in fibers. It aids in the digestion process and prevents constipation. It maintains the low blood sugar level. All living beings need water to live. It is important for the proper growth and development. The supply of water to crops at regular intervals is called irrigation. The method of irrigation that is used here is a drip system. In this, the dripper emits drops containing water and fertilizers, resulting in the uniform application of water and nutrients direct to each plant root zone across an entire field. It is a boon in regions where availability of water is poor, as the water is not wasted at all. The white layer that is seen here is known as the plastic mulch. The use of drip irrigation in conjunction with this plastic mulch allows one to reduce the leaching of fertilizers. It prevents the sunlight from reaching the soil, thus inhibiting the growth of weeds. Turmeric has been used as a wonder ingredient since ages in India. It is an antiseptic and has anti-inflammatory properties. It is known to increase the production of vital enzymes that detoxify our blood in the liver by breaking and reducing the toxins. Turmeric is a tropical plant in the same family as ginger. It has large green leaves and grows 3 or more feet tall. As the plant matures, each stem sends up a spike of greenish white and occasionally pink flowers. The part of turmeric that is used is known as rhizome. It can be grown in diverse tropical conditions from sea level to 1500 meter above sea level at a temperature range of 20 to 35 degrees Celsius with an annual rainfall of 1500 millimeters or more. Though it can be grown on different types of soils, it thrives best in well-drained sandy or clay loam soils. This leguminous vegetable known as lobia or black-eyed pea is commonly used across India. As this plant starts to grow, it needs support as it is a weak-stemmed twinner. It can prevent heart diseases, can fight cancer, and can help you lose weight. Brinjal, also known as eggplant, is grown worldwide for its edible fruit. Its color varies from white to yellow or green, as well as reddish purple and dark purple. Eggplant provides a good amount of fiber, vitamins, and minerals in few calories. Some animal studies have found that it may improve heart functions and reduce LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels, though human research is needed. The brinjal plant is self-pollinating due to its perfect or complete flowers. A perfect flower contains both anthers and pistils. This plant, which is a good source of vitamin A and C, is known as turei. It is also known as loofah sponge gourd. It is used to cure jaundice. It purifies the blood and is used to cure skin diseases. The fully ripened sponge gourd is used as cleansing agent. It also needs support to stand. These are the small plants of coriander and methi. To make our cities greener, we can do kitchen gardening. It's a garden where we can grow our own food. We may think that we are nurturing our garden, but of course, it's a garden that is really nurturing us. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.